Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use risk analysis screening tool software. This software is used for the possible hazard and risk analysis. So today we are going to see how to download and how to use this software. This software is designed by AICHE. So if you click on AICHE, RAST, RAST means Risk Analysis Screening Tool. It will show this window. The link I will post on description. So here you have to put the full name, email address, country, company affiliation you can put as none, and then CAPTCHA, submit. The link will be sent to your email ID. Check the inbox, or sometimes the link can be go to the spam also, so you can check there also. After downloading the software, it is basically a simple spreadsheet that is look like this. So this is the risk analysis screening tool software. Now while doing the practical, if the data is already filled, you can go to the clear input. So it will clear all the input for you. Now this is the fresh window that is available for the new practical. Here if you observe, there are pink color cells are there. These cells are mandatory to fill. Okay, I repeat, this pink color window are mandatory to fill. So this is the main menu. If you observe in the bottom bar, main menu, this is the pink bar that is necessary to fill. Unless you don't fill this pink bar, the program will not run. So we will start here. Session date, you put today's date. Then participant, you can put your name here. Then equipment identification, you can put the formulation tank. So while filling this data, you need inputs and the data. Okay, so in our syllabus there are total 5 case studies. Out of that, the first case study we will take here, that is, if you observe here, confined space explosion CI in RNL. In that, click on second task bar and you can get this case study. Okay, so there are total 5 case studies given in this AICHE manual also. The detailed description of these case studies, each case study, two case study in fact I have given on my YouTube channel also. That link also I will share. What actually happened in that case study that I have explained. Okay, so you can go through it and check the videos also. So second case study we take here, that is confined space explosion CA and RNL. Okay, and in this case study, if you observe, it is formulation tank. Okay, so we put here formulation tank, and anyway it is all the data is given in this case study, so no need to go anywhere, just check this and you can put all the data from this case studies, right? So formulation tank is here. Equipment type, it is stir tank reactor. So just go to the drop box and there is stir tank reactor. Okay, then equipment location is inside the plant, so you can go to the indoor. So this main menu, important cell we have filled here. Now if you observe here, there is one red cell is given, insufficient input data to proceed with analysis. Basically you have to fill this 4 input, and until and unless you don't fill this 4 input, you will not get the evaluation and report. Okay, so this is input task, this is output report. Okay, and how we know that the input task is correct? See, if this box is get green, then it means that the input data filled properly. Okay, so we will go one by one. First we will fill chemical data input, then equipment parameter, process condition, then plant layout. Chemical data means what are the major chemicals involved, chemical parameter means equipment parameter means volume and other parameters. Process condition means temperature, pressure, and plant layout means what is the area of the plant and other parameters. So one by one we will check the input parameters. So chemical parameter. So major chemical here is heptane. So you can check here from this drop box and go for the heptane. So I have added first chemical. Second chemical you can click here and drop box. So propanol 1. Second chemical is propanol 1. So go for P. And this is propanol 1. Then you go for the dissolved solids. Okay. Some dissolved solids are also there, so that also you have to put here. So the dissolved solid. Okay, so weight fraction you can add also here. Weight fraction 0.40. All the data is given into the case study itself. You can check the case study option. Then dissolved solid is 0.001 in weight fraction. So the total sum is 1. Okay. So all the data it will automatically get calculated. Okay. And operating temperature is starting at given as 40 degrees centigrade, and then it rises slowly. And operating pressure is given as 0.01 bar. Okay, 0.01 bar. So this important data we have filled, that is which is in pink color. Okay. Now there is yellow color also, but yellow color is not mandatory. If you fill it, it is optional. It will give additional corrected result. Okay. So chemical data we have filled. Don't forget to save the data. Okay. Don't forget to save the data. So we save all input data to equipment. Then we go for the main menu again. Here, if you observe here, it get green. Now equipment parameter input. So we will fill this equipment parameter input. Equipment volume is given as 3000 gallon. Okay. And maximum allowable working pressure is given as 0.1 bar. Right. Then nozzle or pipe size is given in 3. Then 3 inch is given. So you can check. You can change the unit from here. Drop off. Then motor power is given as 5. Whatever parameter is given, only that you can put. Now if you observe here, this yellow cell is optional. Estimated equipment maximum weighted area is 23. Okay, so it will get automatically reflected here. So if you put this data, it will automatically reflect here, right? So now some more inputs are given. If you observe it, it is pink color, so you have to fill it compulsorily. So heating fluid temperature is given as 120. Okay. Heat transfer area is given as 50. This is given. Okay. It is given in square feet. Okay, so you can change here. Heating overall, okay, that is U is 100. It is also in British thermal unit. Okay, so all the data we have filled here. Heat transfer fluid, which heat transfer fluid we have used? So basically, generally we use the water. So we put the chemical also as water. So it will automatically take the rest of the inputs. Okay. Relief device identification, it is relief discharge to indoor. Okay, so it is indoor. So we have filled all the data. Now just check the main menu, save this and go to main menu. Okay, so main menu, two options are filled. Third, process condition, this being cell we fill here. Liquid heat within equipment is 8 feet. Okay, then feed flow, maximum feed flow rate is given as 50 gallon per minute. Then rest of the data is filled. Okay, so we save here, this data also we save here and go to main menu. So main menu, again third option is filled. Plant layout. In plant layout we have distance to property limit to fence area. So what is the distance of the actual property to the fence area? It is 100. Volume is given as 2 lakh cubic feet. Okay, and rest of the condition is given 3.6, that is enclosed process ventilation 3.6 and enclosed area 2, right? The distance to occupied building 1 of area, so it is given as 50, and number of building occupants generally 5, and inside plant number of building occupants so you can give building name, and you can give any name to building, that is building 2. Okay, then distance of occupied building 2 150, that is building 2 is, and number of occupants in building 2 is we give as 10. Okay, so inside, obviously inside the plant there is more people or workers. So all the data we have filled here. Okay, and then we go again to the save. Don't forget to save input to equipment table. Okay, and then go to the go to the main menu. If you observe, all this data is filled, so you can get the output of this input and basically analysis of the hazard. So first is fire and explosion index chemical. So this report we will get. You can take a printout of it. Go to main menu again, hazard and consequences. What are the hazard and what are the consequences over it? This is get from here. Then go to main menu again. Scenario identification. This is a scenario identification chart. You can observe it and take a printout. And lastly, relief effluent screening. This is the report. Okay. So these are all 4 reports are the output of this program. In this way, you can perform the practical for this risk analysis screening tool. So all the related link I will post on description link. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.